This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to convert a Google Doc into an EPUB, an e-publication file. They made it really easy, so I'm just right here in an untitled document, just got some random text and image right here just to show you on the screen right here. If you want to turn it into an EPUB, come up to the very top. You will click on File, you will then hover over Download, and you'll see once this drop down opens, you'll see all of these default formats, all the usual ones like Microsoft Word. We have PDF here, plain text, rich text format. You can even do HTML, but the one we want is near the bottom, EPUB publication. This is a .epub file. If you're not familiar, which you probably are if you're watching this video, these are really good for using on, your Kindle, your ebook reader. So essentially, if you have like a long PDF for work or something, or for professional reasons or pleasure, whatever the reason, you can create this Google Doc into something that you can easily read and send to your Kindle. I should say send and read to your Kindle. So you would just literally click on EPUB publication, the .epub file, and just like that, that will save. That will actually download and save to your downloads location. I'm on a Mac. You can see that the logo, the icon even just went flying up there, which is the universal symbol on a Mac that something has been downloaded. That goes directly to my downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different depending on your browser configuration, but you will find the .epub file right there in your downloads location. And then you can easily add that to your Kindle or your ebook reader, whatever you want to do with that EPUB file from there. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps. And subscribe to the channel for more videos just like